Yowza, good morning guys. I'm on my way to try and get some photos of birds, and basically the other day I was walking past one of the dams close to our house and spotted some southern red bishops, which I hadn't seen on the state that we live on before. You know, I don't really have any good photos of red bishops. I've seen a lot of them, but I think maybe today is the day. Come with me. Okay, so I've arrived at the dam and I've already spotted a red bishop. Yes, I think I just got the shot. Oh my goodness. I've also seen some thick-billed weavers here, which is really cool.